Alright, so I'm stopping at McDonald's for a little pick-me-up. I need a coffee. I'm going to get decaf, I think, because regular caffeinated coffee makes my heart palpitate. And maybe a breakfast burrito. What do you think about that? I just dropped Olivia off. I'm fine. How are you? Give me a medium decaf coffee with about 5 creams and about 7 sugars and one of your sausage burritos.
Check hot or mild?
Hot. Can I have 2, please? Two hot sauces.
It's $2.44.
Thank you. I just picked Olivia up from, or I didn't pick her up. I just dropped her off at somewhere. Tennis, I had to think. But I'm gonna stop at my grocery store. You're looking at my thing here. Look at my little town. Can you see my little town? Look how cloudy and yucky it is outside. Look, I have a stowaway. Look at that thing. Ugh. That is on the outside of my car. Thank goodness. Alright, so we're attempting to make some pot stickers today.
Dumplings.
Dumplings. My bad, dumplings. So it's a little dark in here, so we've got our dough rolled out. Dough rolled out. Say that 3 times. But it's, yeah. It's a work in progress here. We've already got our meat made. I'll show you what that looks like when we get done with that. But right now we are working on our dough. Look at this. Look at the floury mess that we got all over the place. That's our flour there. Flour bowl. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and we're using just a cup to, come on, get out there. Just a cup to, we should have just bought them, but we decided we wanted to make them. We made, last year, the year before, we made some other kind of dumplings that was really good, so we just decided we wanted to try to make some, so that's what we're doing. How's that one? Girl, you better put some flour on that. There. You didn't show the baby dumpling. Alright, we got them all rolled out, so now we're going to start putting the meat in. Look at the baby dumpling. Look at that. Alright, there's my meat. I made this. This is made of pork, and we put, what did we put in it? Sesame oil, some ginger, green onions. What else did we put in it? Garlic. What else? Lots of meat. Now we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it. Maybe you don't want baby dumplings. That's too much meat. Give me a piece.
These are tiny dumplings.
They swell.
You swell.
I do swell. You're right. All right, now what we're gonna do is attempt to fill these. I gotta smell my meat.
Mother.
It smells good. It almost smells good enough to eat. So I think you just put like a little tiny bit in there.
How are you supposed to fold these?
You fold them in half. You put the meat in there.
Look how big it is.
And you stretch it over. These are baby dumplings. The lighting is terrible. Huh? Just work with it. Work with it.
Mother, do you see?
And then I think you just kind of pinch them there.
Mother.
And then if your helper keeps complaining, then you pinch them too.
Mother, I'm gonna call Brandon and tell him.
Call Brandon. There. What do you think of hers? I think I got too much stuffing in mine. Well, you can kind of just like
How little?
stretch it. Well, you can have more. Then you won't feel guilty about eating a whole bunch of them.
Girl.
I think you're supposed to take, you know what? You're supposed to wet the edges. Here I'm trying to crimp it like a pie. we need some water. Get some water. My hands got stuff on them.
My hands got stuff on them too.
All right.
1, 2, 3, those goes.
1, 2, 3. I'm not it.
That's not how it works.
Yeah, you put the water on to seal them. So.
Mother, these are the ugliest dumplings I ever seen.
Huh? Shut up. Don't talk about my dumplings.
These are my dumplings too. It's like.
Yeah, so we'll just leave this one and hope this one don't bust apart. Look at that.
You only do
No, you
half.
don't put the water on until you're ready to seal it. Gosh, do I have to tell you everything?
You only put it on half.
So, let's try this again. Don't try this at home, kids.
Oh, you're so edgy.
What? This is gonna make a ton of dumplings. Look at that.
Dumplings.
That meat smells so good.
Mother.
And then you're supposed to,
Why didn't you call Brandon?
yeah, Brandon's the dumpling.
Look how cute it is!
It's like a pierogi.
I'm gonna have you center that. Look at it. Where is it?
Can you see it? Look at hers. Maybe I'll let you be the official dumpling roller.
You don't roll dumplings. Anything you've been rolling, girl.
Okay. Just like putting your jeans on if you're a big girl like me. You gotta stuff and push everything right down in there. Packing stuff, packing stuff. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but looky there. There's another one. It's like a little baby pie.
Girl, we need like a rinsing station. Because how am I supposed to pinch with these?
All right, there's a sauce that we made. This sauce is not as good as Brandon's. My son Brandon makes some amazing, amazing sauce. But look how pretty it is in that bowl that he got me. There's the dumplings. These ones are steamed. There, she's eating that. And I've got them in the...
These ones are
steamy, steamy. I've got it steamed. Steaming the rest of the dumplings. We've been kind of munching on. These were really good. I wanted to vlog the whole thing, but it didn't work out that way. So if you want this recipe, then let me know and I'll be happy to give it to you. They're good though.